So my kids wanted to go camping, and instead of buying a camper, we decided to build one in a gorilla cart. Welcome to the Taylor Workshop, where we build stuff as a family and report back on whether it actually works. Our first project, a camper my boys can sleep in, but built on a gorilla cart that they can tow behind their go-kart. Here's the plan we drew up. 48 inches long, big enough for 2 kids to sleep side by side, with a little galley, hopefully, in the back. With a shelf, some storage, a sink, maybe a cooler. That's the dream, at least. Today, day 1, the goal is simple. Let's build the frame for the floor. Alright, everything starts with measuring and cutting, and the one rule I kept repeating all day: pre-drill every hole so the wood doesn't split. The boys did most of the drilling, mostly on purpose. So do you know why you pre-drill holes?
Why?
You pre-drill it. Then it's just repetition. Measure, mark, drill, screw, over and over again until we're done. Somewhere in there, we realized this thing needed a name.
We should call the trailer.
What should we call the trailer, baby? We should call it Blue. I think we should call it at least Delta. Like Delta Airport? No. The Delta Taylor. Delta. No, the body. The body.clinic. No. How about Blue? Oh, and Delta. Blue Delta.
So we're leaving it up to you. Drop the colors you'd paint it in the comments. The most votes wins. The kids have agreed to honor the results, allegedly. Here we're doing just a quick test. Does it actually fit the 2 kids side by side?
So it gets a little bit stronger.
Yeah, if I can lay in there, that means that it's big enough for me. And
That's good enough. From here, we framed up the whole base.
Dad, I got all 8 screws.
Okay.
Now I just hammered it off.
Woke up to a sky that sneered at me. Coffee's cold, socks don't agree. The mirror laughs like you know.
So we got the base done. Let's put the walls on. This is going to have a door that opens up on the inside so they can store stuff down here. But there we go.
And then this happened.
Dad, I hope you can keep this. No, like that. Dad, the whole, yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys both can fit in here. So, here, wait, just go and lay back down. I want you to stretch out like you.
That's the whole reason we're doing this. Day 1, frame and base done. Next time, the walls. And down the road, a roof and paint and in whatever colors you pick. If you want to watch a dad and his kids figure this out as we go, subscribe and tell us the color. See you next time in the workshop.